Williams. The length, the wristband, and Duterte.
Julian Villano. Oh! Big boy Duterte. Public display of rejection.
Blocks.
Speaking of,
Goes to work.
at least I'm the most handsome man in Inares Sports or Inares Center. As once again, great passing. Duterte going to work. Muscling his way inside, putting it in, but has it.
Ooh.
Couple of moves inside. Oh, Duterte denying that way. This will give them a 2-point lead. And Duterte muscling his way through for Coach Mark Herrera. Another look. Duterte muscling his way inside. A big boy moves for a mid-range. Oh, big boy Duterte sends that flying back to Duterte. The spin, the attack, putting it in. Instant impact for big boy Duterte.
Yun yung talaga spin move.
Ikaw sabi mo nga, Coach Mark, Zion Williamson.
Zion Light.
The crowd here in Inares Sports Arena against Villano. Big boy Duterte. Duterte backing down Espiritu. Puts it inside. Big boy Duterte.
Has taken some bad shots and see the replay. Big boy doing big boy things.
Forward pass, Duterte has it. He's all alone. All the way. Big boy.
Duterte, our player of the game. Congratulations to you and your team. Grabe yung pinakita mong performance. 19 points at ito ang first time mo dito sa ligang ito. Derek, pwede mo bang ibahagi sa akin ano yung pinaka-tumatak sa'yo na sinabi ng coach mo para makapag-perform ka ng ganito?
Ang sinabi lang po ng coach namin ay kumpiyansa lang po sa tira. I know.
Derek, for sure, maraming nanonood sa'yo, mga nakasuporta. Meron ka bang gustong pasalamatan or batiyan ngayon?
Shoutout po kay mama at papa at sa mga kapatid ko na sumusuporta sa Antipolo. Shoutout rin po pala kay Coach Alan Villante. Thank you po.
Muli, congratulations sa'yo, Derek, and syempre to the rest of Team Antipolo.